Good day to everyone. Thank you for this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Lloyd S. Gulay. I'm 45 years old and I live in Kapandanan, Lingayen, Pangasinan. I graduated in Parang High School at secondary level. And I have one son who is 12 years old. And my hobbies are singing, dancing, and cooking. And my special skills are I know how to prioritize prioritizing tasks, and I know how to manage time, and I'm a very organized person. My work experience as a nanny or a household worker in Dubai, Saudi, and Jordan. All of them are in Middle East countries, and all of them have the same duties and responsibilities. And I taking care of 0 months old babies and a child who is 5 years old and 6 years old and a 7 years old. And every morning before madam go to work, she gives to me the babies, and I I taking care of him, and I always check his diaper from time to time. I always feed him. I always check if he's okay or irritable because of the diaper. And when he has schedule in hospital for vaccine, I always go with them. And for other children, I every morning when they have school, I always wake up them and help them to get ready for school. I also prepare their food and snacks for the school, and when they got home, I try to play with them, and I try to cook snack for them, and I do household chores also. I I do laundry, I do ironing, I do washing dishes and mopping and dusting, vacuuming, all of them. All of them I can do the household chores. And for my future employer, I promise to do my very best to do my work and responsibilities, and I promise that I will take care of your child as my own son, because I am a mother also. And that's all, and thank you.